Hi, and welcome to another episode of Automate. We've got something really special for you today. It is the Smarter coffee machine. Now this puppy is incredible. Look at this, I haven't even taken it out of the shipping box. I wanted to do all that for you guys. So, as you can also see, I'm still in my trackies, so I am seriously excited. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. It looks like quite a big box. I'll speed this portion up because I've got a feeling it's going to be difficult, but here we go. Wow, here we go. This is it, finally. Automatic coffee. This is enabled through Alexa. You can use IFTTT. You can use all sorts of bits. And the best thing about it is we can hook it in through Home Assistant as well. Okay, so first thing we've got, looks like we've got some manuals. Got a feeling that's going to have our instructions on how to set everything up and do a really cool setup with the Smarter product. It's like, they call it the security blink or something along those lines. Anyway, here we go. So how am I going to get this out? I think I'm going to need a little help for this. Come give me a hand if you hold the bottom on this side. Okay. Hold the bottom, hold it right. Hold the bottom of the box. So now I'm going to figure out, I'm guessing this is the bottom. Let's turn it over this way. There goes the cable. I'll pull these little bits out first. Looks like it's a separator. I'll put it in there. And what we got in here? These are the front plates, so you can change the colours to go with your kitchen. That's got to be our coffee portion. Actual pot. Not quite sure what that is, but we'll find out then. Oh. Here's the coffee machine. Way, here we go. So, looks like pretty simple. Just pops in there, like that. Useful on Alexa. Alexa, cancel. So we have the different face plates. Guessing you do that, something like that. Pretty cool. What I'll do is I'll pop these on the machine so you guys can have a look at the different colours. And that's it, that's the unboxing. The next portion is going to be popping it in and setting it up. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, grab your phone and turn her on. Open the Smarter application. This should be available from any of your app stores, iOS or Android. Hit Add Product. Then select Smarter Coffee 2nd Generation. Type in your product name. I thought coffee machine was a good one. hit go, type in the password for your router, hit next, next again, hit OK and take your phone and put it right in front of the screen there. You should feel it vibrate and you'll see the screen flashing. As soon as you feel the next vibration, that's when you can actually take the phone away from it. And that's it. The coffee machine's now connected through the Smarter application. Right, now to the important stuff. Let's get brewing some coffee. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill the water up. I just took the jug there, as you can see, filled that up to the top and then placed the whole lot in. Next thing we're going to need is the important stuff. That's the coffee. I got some stuff just from my local store, to be honest with you, but I have got some nice stuff on order as well. You can do that through the app, as you'll probably notice. Now jump back into your phone, open the Smarter application, go to the coffee machine, and I just tested now to see if I could change it and if it would react on the coffee machine. So I changed it up to 5 cups, brought it back down again, saw that it was changing, everything seemed to be healthy. Check the water levels. So I thought, why not? Let's click start. Starts grinding the coffee for us now. Now it's going to preheat for us, so it'll actually preheat that jug. It now swaps from preheating to brewing. And finally, it will keep it warm for 40 minutes. And voila, we have coffee. And that's it. The Smarter 2nd generation coffee machine, unboxing and quick setup guide. The next video I'm going to do is about how to hook it into Alexa and get this coffee machine really working for its money. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, guys, give us a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments below, let me know exactly what you thought of this product, and I'll see you soon for the Alexa setup guide. Cheers!